Debt doesn't have to feel like a mountain, snowball, or avalanche. Here's a simple 3-step path. 1. Emotional wins. Which debt motivates you most? 2. Cost wins. Highest interest first. 3. Timeline wins. Shortest payoff first. If you want guidance to choose the best method for your situation or someone to navigate your personalized plan alongside you, I'd love to support you. Book your financial clarity call now at AngelaMorrisCoaching.com. You may also check out my YouTube channel, Angela Morris Coaching, to learn more about Snowball and Avalanche.